In last period, we start the fourth chapter, financial planning. In financial planning, we study about GST. GST means goods and service tax. वस्तू आणि सेवा कर. We know GST. In GST, there are two taxes, means CGST and SGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax, and SGST means State Goods and Service Tax. And there is GSTIN, and study about this 15th alpha numerals, which is including tax invoice of good purchase, and some examples depend upon GST. And this is tax invoice, and there is some informations about the rate of GST and types: zero rates, low rates, standard rates, first slab, second slab, and high rates, and some examples about goods and service item list, and some activities related with GST, and some examples which are solved in page number 86. We also start practice set 4.1. We know if the rate of GST is 10, then rate of CGST is 5%, and rate of SGST is 5%. Means 5% plus 5% is 10%. If GST is 12%, then SGST is 6%. CGST is also 6%. Then we solve some example in practice set 4.1. First example is written as: first, Pawan Medical supplies medicines on some medicines. The rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? We know we given rate of GST is 12%. This is given. The rate of GST is 12%. This is given. Then we know rate of CGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2. Similarly, rate of SGST. Then first we rate the rate of CGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 2 is 6%. Similarly, rate of SGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2 is equal to 12 upon 2 is 6%. This is first example. In second example, we give on certain articles, if the rate of CGST is 9%, then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of GST? We know the relations between the rate of SGST and the rate of CGST is the same. We give rate of CGST. First we rate the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST, and sum of these two is rate of GST. Means you give value of CGST is 9, therefore the rate of SGST is equal to 9%, because because a rate of CGST is equal to 9% is given. Then a rate of GST. A rate of GST is equal to the rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. Means GST is depends upon CGST. CGST is 9% plus 9% is equal to 18%. तीसरं उदाहरण लिया था. In this third example, MS Real Paints sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in tax invoice. Means we know the rate of luster paint is 2800. Quantity of this paint is 2. Therefore, taxable amount of luster paint is 2800 into 2. Means you write first there are 2 tins of luster paint. The value of each tin is 2800. Luster of the rate of luster paint is equal to 2800. Therefore, the value of 2 tins is equal to 2 into 2800 is equal to 5600 rupees is the value of 2 tins. The rate of GST is 28%. The rate of GST is equal to 28% is given. Therefore, the rate of CGST and SGST is equal to rate of GST upon 2. Means we get rate of CGST and SGST is 28 upon 2 is 48%. The amount of CGST is equal to the rate of CGST into taxable amount is equal to rate is 40% into taxable amount is 5600 is equal to 5600 into 1 upon 1 into 40 upon 100. There is a cancellation of 20. 46 into 14, 56 into 14 is 784 rupees. 784 is amount of CGST. The amount of SGST is also 784. Therefore the amount of SGST is equal to also the amount of CGST. म्हणजे SGST आणि CGST अमाउंट ऑफ CGST आणि SGST ची किंमत सेम असणार आहे. द अमाउंट ऑफ SGST इज ऑल्सो रुपीज 784 is amount of SGST and CGST. This is third example. Then we study about fourth example. The taxable value of wrist watch belt is rupees 586. The rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of belt for the customer? We know the rate of GST is 80%. GST on belt price is 586. The price of belt for the customer is equal to taxable value plus GST. Means we first calculate GST. Means the rate of GST is given. Rate of GST is equal to 80% is given. Taxable value of this belt. Taxable value of this belt is rupees 586. GST on the belt price. The GST on the belt price 586 is equal to 586 into 80% is 586 into 18 upon 100. हा जर गुणाकार केला तर आपला उत्तर येईल रुपीज 105.48. Therefore the price of the belt for customer. Therefore the price of the belt for the customer is equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value is 586.00 plus 105.48. Sum of these two number is 8, 4. 6 plus 5 is 11, 9, 6. The price of the belt for customer. The price of the belt for customer is equal to rupees 691.48. Thank you.